Iran, also known as Persia, is a country in Western Asia with a rich and complex history that spans over several thousand years. The following is a brief overview of Iran's history. Prehistory and ancient Iran. The earliest evidence of human habitation in Iran dates back to the Paleolithic era, around 100,000 BC. By the 6th millennium BC, agriculture had developed in the region, leading to the rise of some of the world's earliest civilizations, such as the Elamite and the Gerafte cultures. Around 550 BC, the Achaemenid Empire was founded by Cyrus the Great, who conquered many neighboring territories and established the First Persian Empire. Under Cyrus and his successors, the Persian Empire became the largest empire in the world at the time, stretching from the Balkans to India. The empire was known for its advanced bureaucracy, infrastructure, and military might. Classical Iran. After the fall of the Achaemenid Empire, Iran was conquered by Alexander the Great in the 4th century BC. The Seleucid Empire, a Hellenistic state, ruled Iran for several centuries until it was overthrown by the Parthians in 247 BC. The Parthians were followed by the Sasanian Empire in the 3rd century AD, which re-established a centralized Iranian state and greatly expanded its territory. Islamic period. In the 7th century AD, Iran was conquered by the Arab Muslim armies led by Caliph Umar. Islam soon became the dominant religion in the region, and Iran became an important center of Islamic learning and scholarship. The Safavid dynasty, which ruled from the 16th to the 18th centuries, is known for its promotion of Shia Islam and its establishment of a strong centralized state. Modern Iran. In the 19th and early 20th centuries, Iran experienced a period of rapid modernization and westernization under the Qajar dynasty. However, the country was heavily influenced by foreign powers, particularly Russia and Britain, which led to widespread dissatisfaction among the Iranian people. In 1921, Reza Khan, an army officer, staged a coup and established the Pahlavi dynasty, which ruled Iran until the Islamic Revolution of 1979. During this period, Iran underwent significant economic and social development, but the rule of the Shah was also marked by authoritarianism and suppression of dissent. In 1979, a popular uprising led by Ayatollah Khomeini overthrew the Shah and established the Islamic Republic of Iran, a theocratic state that combines elements of traditional Islamic law with modern political structures. Since then, Iran has experienced political turmoil, economic sanctions, and tensions with other countries, particularly the United States.